Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your Instagram reels go trending with the help of these trending viral audios in Instagram. So if you have a business account, select the profile button here and you're going to select the professional dashboard. Select it and you're going to scroll down until you find trending audio under tips and resources. You're going to select trending audio here and you'll find the trending audio from the most trending one to the 50th one. I don't know if it's in order, but they have until like the 50th trendy song. So for instance, you want to use a song in your Instagram reel, just save this first. And then once you have uploaded your reel, you can use the audio that you saved. And hopefully your reel will be trending. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!